Hello and welcome to another episode of Spirit Seeking with Pratik on Sound Health Solution. We are exploring diseases and we found that about 235 million people of the world have this disease called asthma. This chronic, painful and long-lasting disease of the lungs. And 80% of those people are prone to death, especially in low-income and middle-income countries. However, the countries with the highest number of asthma patients are countries like Netherlands, Sweden, UK, Brazil, and Australia. Right? So this is a common problem for people all around the world. And it's a common problem because 250,000 people die from this disease in a year throughout the world prematurely. So today we are going to tackle a mudra related to this very disease. It's very simple, very simple. All you need to do is make a namaste from your hands and fold both your middle fingers and touch their nails. Make sure that the other fingers are away from each other. They're not touching. Okay. Keep this anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes every time you do it. When you start doing this mudra, it's advisable that you do it twice in a day. One in the morning for 15 minutes and one in the evening for another 15 minutes. When you do this, make sure that you are in a clean environment. Make sure that the feng shui of your house is correct. Make sure you have plenty of fresh air entering the space where you are sitting and doing this mudra. Also note that you are not doing this mudra in a dusty environment or an unhealthy environment. Make sure you find a place which is clean, hygienic. And when you do this, make sure you are very aware of your breath too. Every breath that you take in, every breath that you throw out, make sure that you're aware of them, right? So you'll do it something like this. Do not extend your breath. Breathe normally, but try to take deeper breaths. If you want, you can join this mudra with another yogic exercise, which is the Anulom Vilom exercise, which cleans the passages of your nervous system and your respiratory system. It's very easy. All you need to do is take 2 fingers and breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. That's it. For people who have this disease, make sure that you save yourself from the cold. Make sure you save yourself from dust. Make sure you save yourself from pollution. You could probably wear a mask when you go outside. This might not be as common as other malignant diseases because only 1 in 14 people have asthma, but it can take your life. So if you're suffering from this, you need to be very careful about your health, right? Let's repeat the mudra again. All you need to do is form a namaste and then join the nails of your middle finger, right? And make sure that the other fingers are apart. You can stay anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes in this mudra. And while you're staying in this mudra, make sure you're conscious and you take deep, clean, fresh breaths in fresh environment. Practice this for at least 21 days and tell us how different you feel about this. If it helps you, tell us. If you liked this video, do not forget to press the like button. If you like whatever is happening in Sound Health Solution, do not forget to subscribe to us. Share this video with your friends who might need it. Let's help each other. Let's build a community of open, healthier, enlightened human beings. Until next time.